Pete Nowaskey with Nowaskey Extreme Performance, and today I'm standing with a small collection of performance baggers that we have built here at the shop. As you can see, all three of these bikes have a very minimalistic style to them. They're very performance orientated. They're inspired by our race bikes, whether it be King of the Baggers, drag racing, land speed racing, but we only have the necessary components on these bikes. So we have three similar builds, but they're themed differently. And if I could talk about them for a second, this is King Nothing.
Face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here 'cause you're all that I got. I can't the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. Time won't take this damage anymore. Don't turn your back on me.
This is one of my personal bikes. Absolutely love this thing, and it turned out great. Handles awesome, stops on a dime, a lot of power. So we wanted to recreate that moving forward. This is Jack King.
It's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you for once just to hear me out. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do. Face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here 'cause you're all that I got.
We built this for a customer, and it was based on King Nothing. So it's very similar in style, but we have a lot more upgrades on this bike. Knee notch tank, billet swing arm, and a few other things that make it a little more sporty and set it apart from King Nothing. Moving over here, we have Paisley King. This is another version of the two King bikes that we have built. This has our Nowaskey +2 suspension in the front, 0-degree trees. We stayed away from the inverted on this one because we wanted to do something a little different. This bike is taller than the other two. Custom swing arm, remote reservoir shocks on the rear. So Paisley King is built with the same style as these other two bikes, but again, some different features. We wanted to put a crazy custom Paisley lace paint job on here so it would stand out from everything else. It's got this really cool bluish green color on here that really pops in the sun. We did our +2 conventional front end on it, get it up in the air, but we wanted to build this bike and give away to someone so they could enjoy the experience that we have with these awesome performance baggers. So if you go to our website and buy a hat, a t-shirt, a set of shocks, whatever, you can get entered for a chance to win this bike. And you will not be disappointed. This bike has a built engine, full suspension, Metzeler tires, carbon fiber, the whole 9 yards. You're gonna get the whole experience. You're gonna feel like you're on a race bike, but you're on the street. And you can take this to the track. It's high enough, it's got the mid controls, the custom exhaust on it. We're gonna include a set of race wheels and tires for it, so you can actually ride this on the street or take it to the track and drag some knees. So this is Paisley King, and we're gonna give this one away. But again, here's a collection of 3 performance baggers that we have built, a cool minimalistic style here at Nowaskey Performance.